Hello guys, welcome to Seller Sprite Webinar Academy. We, as a Chinese seller, build up a free course. It's entirely free from the beginning till the end. How you can find a profitable product, how you can approach to sell on Amazon. Likewise, Chinese sellers are doing. It would be definitely helpful to find a profitable product on Amazon, launch, scale, ultimately 7 to 8 figures. So it's a very important fact that nowadays there are a lot of the course from the different people. They are giving this money. Maybe you need to pay 500, maybe 2,000, 3,000. It doesn't matter. But this course we are gonna give all free for our users. You can watch on the YouTube or you can watch anywhere you would like to. So in the course we are gonna launch every week one chapter. Maybe the chapter 1, chapter 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. We are gonna launch every week one video related from the journey begin till end. Maybe you can get the 8-figure, etc., etc. So this is the first one. I'm just gonna go over the course, what you can learn from the beginning, and the next phase, and the next phase, what you are gonna read. I'm gonna talk about that. Let me open my video here, and I'm gonna explain from the beginning. Okay, here we are gonna step by step discuss, explain every process, every single process, and answer all the questions you have throughout this journey. So guys, let's begin. On the chapter 1, you are gonna learn product research, sourcing, listing, launching, and the scaling. It's from the beginning till the end. We are gonna go this process. Why every step is important. On the product research, here in Shenzhen, we say, if you cannot find the right product, right product meaning it should be right for you. Maybe it's right for me, maybe it's right for another one, but it's should be right for you. If you find if your product is not right for you, even Jeff Bezos cannot save you on the Amazon. The key and the fundamental fact of success on the Amazon to finding right product for you. Maybe it could be profitable, related with your hobbies. You should know the product better, the specification, the product, the launch phase, keywords, customer, target audience, etc., etc. This is vitally important fact on the Amazon. We need to always think all these small metrics to get successful on the Amazon. Finding a winning product is very important. There could be different metrics here, like the profitable, maybe 2,000, 3,000 profit for you. Maybe if the products are expensive, for example, long time, we almost always sell expensive product. Recently, we have 2 products. Our sales price are over $100 on the Amazon. So roughly, we try to keep our profit around 20K per month. It's roughly 20% profit margin. So the profit margin is going to change according to product price, but we will try to keep the profit above 20% because everyone wants to make a profit at the end of the day. This is primarily goal of the business. Next one, sourcing. This is also very important. We need to find the right factory for us to make our product. Maybe that factory could be the good factory, but they are not doing the customizable for you. They are not able to differentiate your product. So then it's not a good. We need to find, again, the right factory for our product. They can do whatever we want and maybe more what we want, because ultimately maybe they will have some opinions change here. It would be better if we could do like this, that, etc. So supply is also very important. Then we are going to create a listing. I saw this mistakes done by many people. Guys, when we place the order in China, it's probably going to take 20 days or 1 month, doesn't matter. And the 1 month you are going to spend on the way from China to ship to Amazon warehouse in the United States. Roughly, at least there are 2 months. 2 months we have a time. But those time frames, I see that some people are just enjoying life, not to finding proper keywords, not to optimizing listing, not to get done all single A+ listing images, etc., and creating launching strategies, videos, etc. Guys, when you place the order, start making your photo. You take a photo, you craft the photo, design, and make everything done. Because you don't have the time. You are going to send the product to the photographers. They take, then you are going to maybe spend 2 or 3 weeks to design those photos, etc. It's going to take a long time. Please be sure when you place the order, the factory is going to start making your production. Then you just go to make your photo. Then next one is brand building. It's also very important. As a beginner, we need to set up our trademark in United States. You just find your brand name, Be sure by checking Seller Sprite has very good tool like global brand database. You can validate your product if someone has taken already this trademark or not. If they didn't, probably you can go to apply for that trademark, but of course you go to discuss with attorney like, oh, this the trademark is available or not, can I get it brand or not, etc. So this is the beginning, the process. We need to start off from the ground. Now let's talk about a little bit Amazon. Amazon has different strategies like the online arbitrage, wholesale, and the private label. We as a seller, I am Amazon private label seller since 2018. We sell on Amazon. I don't say retail or wholesale is that bad, but recently I saw some people suffering because of the retail. The invoices are not correct. Maybe they could not find the proper wholesale, like the authorized distribution, etc. So they got this problem. But the private label, if you get done with one product, you put the one product on the Amazon and it's selling good, it's going good, it's money-making machine. You just need to place orders, send to Amazon, and they check PPC, keyword, etc. They're going to constantly sell 20, 30, 40, 50 units a day and they try to make money. So therefore, private label is important. One of the other facts, the private label is good because you can exit. You can sell your business. You can exit from your business, like all the product and the company Amazon account. You can exit with maybe the 20, 25, 30, 50 multiple, and so sell your business, get the profit, and go away with big cash money. This is the best side of the Amazon private label brand. Okay, you decide, of course. Then what you need to do, let's go to firstly find a profitable product. This is in the beginning, as we mentioned, profitable product is the most and the key success of the Amazon. Then you found a product. Secondly, what we are doing is we go to ask our friends. We have several friends and we are kind of the group. I say, okay, I found this product. It seems it's promising, but can you validate this product? Maybe I cannot see some drawbacks. Maybe I cannot see there's some problems of this product, but you are sure maybe you would be a different approach and you are going to find the proper way to prove me this is the wrong product. We here try to validate. A validate product is very important. First, define a product. Secondly, validate with your friends. Also, you can set up metrics for yourself. Like in this one, profit should be over 20%. Keyword search volume between like the 20, 25K, at least it should be 5 or 6 different keywords. And the sales volume should be around these metrics, etc., etc. There should be some numbers. You need to validate those numbers by yourself, and then ultimately go to according to those rules. Then find a supplier and place the order. Then make your listing. Then immediately when you make a decision, you need to think about the launch phase. On the launch phase, your price is going to be 20% or 30% less than your target price. Is this price is okay or not? Because how long you need to sell this product at a cheaper price than expected, and you can bear that risk, you can bear that loss, and so you wouldn't lose too much money, you wouldn't bleed, and you wouldn't get lost and cancel this product. It's very important. And secondly, if it's going good, and you need to calculate from the beginning how you could be sure in the long term you can scale this business, you can scale this product. Maybe you can add variation, second, third, fourth, fifth variation, or maybe you can add some product besides that's compatible with your brand, and you can sell that product as well, etc., etc. There are different metrics we need to pay attention. This metrics is going on like this, one by one. Of course, we need to divide and follow this process. Now let's talk about the time frame. Maybe you decided, or you are starting. Time is here very important, because when we are sure about the time, it's going to help a lot. Because the time, you can find a product in 1 month, or you can find a product within 1 year. It's quite different. We try to set up time. Okay, we are going to find a product in 3 weeks or in 1 month, or after defining our criteria, financial status, and how much money we have, how much money we are going to spend for first product, then try to set up the time, how long we are going to spend to find our first product. It probably can take around 1 month, roughly. I'm just saying this number as a 1 month. Secondly, finding supplier, it could take around 1 week. 1 week is maybe okay. 1 week, I think it's okay. No problem. 1 week. And the plus 1 to 2 weeks, you are going to get the sample. If you have someone in China, they are going to help you to to get the sample, show you photo, call you, give the video, etc. So you can get the product price and the quality combination. Is it okay or not? Then next, we can say it as a next, or we can say it parallel. Since the beginning, you made a decision that you are gonna sell the product. Of course, you should get your legal entity. Like maybe in the beginning, you can set up company in USA, which we are doing mainly because it's easy, cheaper, and the fastest, reliable way. If you have local companies, that's also okay. Depends on you. Secondly, let's go to open your bank account. You can open Vice, you can open Pioneer, you can open Mercury. Those are three major banks Western sellers using to sell on Amazon if you are not a citizen of United States. And the third one, get your brand registry and the Amazon trademark done. I'm sorry, this is the fourth one, but the third one, open your Amazon Seller Central, open your Amazon Seller account, validate it, and then immediately after go to fourth, apply for brand registry. So here it could be different. The business formation, mainly the people are using LLC, limited liability company. It depends on you. It's totally fine. So next one, there are also some small tasks, like you can order UPC code. You can start make the listing. Be sure put your listing launch date in the future, because you wouldn't miss the launch phase, because it's very important to confirm that your listing date is in the future. You are not going to miss launch phase. Then print the FNSQ barcode, sent to your supplier. They're gonna stick on your product. So after ordering, actually in the beginning, we also need to do keyword research, and after ordering, you need to go much more detail about the keyword research. What the keywords you are going to use, what the keywords you are going to focus on in the beginning, how you are going to launch this product, and how you are going to compete with other sellers. To find a small gap, even small gap, you can go into from that hole, so that the keyword, maybe not all other sellers focusing on that keyword, there is a small room you can go from that the keyword. I suppose you ordered the product, it's ready. Now it's time to do inspection. You can find different inspection, or if you have a friend in China, or the best way is to get inspection done by third-party sellers. There are many you can find from Alibaba. Be sure they are gonna go to check very detailed, and it would be very good the shape, very good quality. Then next one is create a shipping plan. Shipping plan direct. Most of the time it's fine. You can create a shipping plan to send your inventory directly to Amazon warehouse. It's going to be cheaper, faster, and the most reliable. Your product is ready, your listing is ready, your copy is ready, your videos are ready. Now it's time for the launching. Now you go to Amazon, launch your product, immediately open Vine reviews. We always suggest, and we're also doing Vine reviews for almost all the products. Doing Vine reviews, that's also fine. Get some reviews, start PPC campaign. PPC campaign is there. Now you are in the launch phase. It could be different launch method. Previously there was a giveaway or etc. But recently you can launch the product with just exact PPC, exact product launch campaigns. And be sure you found the product keywords beforehand. When the inventory go live, your product is started to be live for the buyers. Open 2, maybe 3 exact campaign and to start launching your product. So you started selling. Now it's time for restocking. You need to arrange your advertising and arrange your arrange your inventory management according to your cash flow, also your sales. You shouldn't be out of stock. Please be sure, if you see the product is going good, first day 3, second day 5, next day 9, it's going up. Be sure you are not going to be out of stock. If calculate this one, your production time and delivery time on the ship to go to USA. So be sure to find a product after starting selling. Maybe first week, maybe second week. Start if everything is good according to plan. Place your second order, because it will be produced and shipped to USA. Till that time, you are gonna sell majority of your inventory. So process is going like this and like this. Of course, as a seller Sprite, we are here always to help you. What we can do, if you have any questions related with your Amazon journey, you can ask us directly on the comment section, or you can send a message to us. We are gonna help you to validate your product, finding the way to help you, to give you some suggestions, etc. Whatever the question you have, we are going to help you. Here, as a seller's price, we are going to help you to find a profitable product. Secondly, we offer FBA calculator. It's totally free. You are going to use our FBA calculator to find what's the profit margin. Is it profitable or it's not profitable? Thirdly, in the beginning, you can use our global brand database to find out any product has trademark or not. And next one, you can also use our keyword mining, reverse ASIN, Amazon Brand Analytics database to find out the keyword, what the keywords have better conversion rate, better chance to launch in the beginning. So guys, we are always here to help you. This seller Sprite has very the flat cost. It's gonna be around $50 always. But when you launch your product, you need to calculate all the costs from the beginning. You need to, from the beginning, be sure you're gonna pay around $700 to $1,000 for legal entity. You are gonna open LLC or incorporation in different states and USA or any country. Secondly, you are gonna apply for trademark. It's gonna cost you $700. Thirdly, you need to calculate your product price. Like maybe you are gonna order 500, maybe 1,000, or maybe 2,000. Depends on your second order would catch the first order. You are not going to be out of stock. Thirdly, shipping costs. You need to calculate how much you are going to pay for shipping. Four, you are going to pay around 2,000, maybe more than 2,000 for photo, video, copy, listing, etc. So all these costs, one by one, very single detail you need to write down because ultimately this is all the prediction. We would know what's going to happen in the future. Our cost is not okay or not okay, etc., etc. So good luck. You are in the right place, and I hope as soon as you get the right product, you find your right product, and find a right supplier, launch on Amazon, start making sales, and they start making profitable. This is one of the best wish from me to you. If you have any question, you can join our Discord group, Facebook group, WhatsApp group, any group you would like to. You just go ahead and join. We are always here to help you any question you have. Thank you for beginning. See you on next videos.